Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about slicer. Slicer in Power BI. So slicer what it will do. So for example, I'm just choosing this slicer. I'm selecting a city. Then what it will happen? It will create one filter like this filter box. So already we have discussed about filter, that is will hide only the inside informations, but this one end user can able to access this slicer. So someone is asking my working in my report, they can able to use this slicer for filter the data. So for example, I'm working in Bangalore department, I want to show the particular Bangalore department how much it is going, how, what is the sale value, what is the cost value, what is the performance. Then if I choose this slicer, it will list out the names. If I filter, if I select Bangalore, then what happen? Each, this graph and card, all the places only it will reflect Bangalore details. See here, this graph is showing Bangalore sale value, and this one is total sale of Bangalore, and this one is total cost of Bangalore, and this pie chart is showing only Bangalore, showing 100 percentage because I have selected only one particular city. So if you want to filter multiple city also, it's possible. So you can press control and then you can choose multiple values. Then it will show like this. So I want to choose two more locations. Then, so this is a Chennai sale, and this is Delhi sale, and this is Hyderabad sale, and this is a contribution between these three locations. And this card is total of these particular three location: Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and this is a total of cost in that particular three location. So we can use n number of slicer like this. So mostly in Excel, if I'm filtering something, what it will happen, it will filter inside, right? So similarly, I can able to use multiple slicers. So for example, I'm choosing one more slicer. Here I'm giving like category. So then what happened? Now everything is list out. Fruit and vegetable, all it is list out because only I have chosen this particular three locations. That's why it will shows only the three locations total. In this three locations, each locations we have categories like fruit and vegetable. So if I choose only fruit, then what happen in this fruit? What is the sale of this particular three locations? So for example, if I choose one city, Bangalore, this is only fruit sale value because I have chosen only fruit. So if I choose only vegetable, it will show only vegetable value. And if I choose both, then it will show both the values. So likewise, we can able to choose all the locations. You can, whatever locations you want, you can able to filter it, and you can able to segregate your divisions, and based on that you can able to read your data. Likewise, you can able to apply multiple filters. Here we have different settings. Maybe we can go for settings. So first one is slicer settings. I'll clear this. First one is slicer setting. In this slicer setting, so vertical list. So now it is showing vertical list. If you want to display like tile, it should be like this. It is looking like a button. You can create like a tile and you can place it somewhere. And if you click this and click this, if you press control, you can click multiple things. That is possible. And not only right hand side, if you want to move somewhere on the top also, it is possible. So you can align and you can place it like this. That is also possible. You can choose whatever you want. That option is available. And first one is vertical option, next one is tile option, right? And the next option is drop down. So drop down here, one drop down box will generate. You can click this down arrow, then it will list out what all cities are there, or otherwise it will hide. So it will not occupy that much space. It will occupy less space compared to other settings. Okay, likewise you can able to arrange multiple slicer in one page. And section here, there is an multi-select option is there. That's why I can able to select multiple options when I'm pressing control, right? So if I make it off, automatically I I can't able to choose only, I can able to choose only one value. I can't able to choose multiple values. Even if I press control also, it will not work. See the button itself, it has changed. So I can able to choose only one value. So if you disable the single select, you can choose multi select, then only you can able to choose multi select option. Now you can able to change multi select. And if you want to display this overall select all, then it is possible. You can make it on. Then what happen automatically? It will list out select all option. See here, this first option is select all. So this, if you select all, automatically it will select all. If you remove all, you can remove. That option is available. If you want to add the select all, we can add it in the slicer setting. Okay. And slicer heading. Header is automatically selected based on the column select. So I have selected a city column. That's why the text was selected automatically. So if you don't want, you can if you want to show something else, then you can able to edit this text city filter. And if you want to increase the font size and color, that and all, it is possible here in the slicer heading. And you can change border, background, icon settings, that and all, it is possible. And values separately, for value settings also, we can able to change it here in this values. So if you go to values, similarly we have a font color, and maybe if I change it, then here it will update. Before it wasn't very small and we can't able to read. Now we can able to read easily. So if you want to change some font color, that also it's possible. So we can able to change it here. Likewise, you can able to change the border color and background color, everything in our settings, right? And general settings is remain same. Properties and title effects, everything is remain same. Thanks for watching.